I'm very excited to be sharing this single with you. बहुत स्पेशल गाना है मेरे लिए. I think ये एक ऐसा गाना है जिसको शायद सुनने की वजह से मैं musician बनना चाहती थी. It's the reason why I wanted to start singing. So it just seemed appropriate that my first solo single should be a song. Actually, we had a couple of options of which songs it should be. And जब मैंने इस गाने का EDM version सुना, जब produce होकर आया, I just knew that there couldn't be any other song. So I'm really happy कि आप लोग यहाँ आए हैं to share this with me. It's always been very special to me कि मैं अपने गाने, अपना music इंडिया में जितना भी celebrate कर सकूँ, अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करती हूँ. And thank you so much for being here to support. You know, when you're young and you have heartbreaks and एक गाना होता है ना, वो breakup गाना या heartbreak वाला गाना, तो ये वो. This is one of those songs which take you through all those I'm in pain but I will survive it. this is that vibe. So which is why when I was shooting the video to the song, हमेशा जब हम देखते हैं, especially लड़कियों के साथ, you always see heartbreak songs, you know, where the girl is broken and she'll never survive it, and yeah, okay, we cry because we are sensitive and we are, you know, we probably mope about a broken relationship a lot more than the boys, but I wanted this song to be about freedom, about moving on. So when I present the video to me, when I present the video to you by me, you'll see that that's what I tried to do in the video. I wanted to empower girls to feel कि yeah, okay, relationships होते हैं कभी कभी बुरे कभी अच्छे, some work out, some don't work out, but it's not all over. Life is not over as we think it is at that point. So when I show you the video, I'll reiterate that. I was coming to Blue Frog, and I knew I'd be standing on this stage where the most mightiest of performers have come and performed. So I did prep. I did a little bit of preparation where I wanted to put my hand at this, and I wanted the first time to be here in Mumbai, in my city. I'm doing this because I feel that I want to do it for the first time here with the people that love me and have supported me throughout. So forgive me if I make any mistakes, and just enjoy the song because it's a really amazing song. This is a video I worked really hard on. I wanted it to be like a mini movie. The story of a relationship which goes bad, it doesn't work out. It stars Milo Ventimiglia. What is his last name? Yeah. It stars Milo in it, and I knew Milo through a friend of mine. We wanted to cast an actor, not a model, because you know, I wanted somebody who would be able to act out. When you see the video, you'll see it. I wanted somebody who would be able to act out the various situations that happen in these two people's lives. And zaruri nahi hai ki two people are bad. Sometimes relationships just don't work out, and that's what this story is about. I hope you like it, with lots of love to myself. No, I'd like to hear a few words about my video. But no, it was, all of it was shot in one day. I had to teach Milo what the importance of Holi was, because they were like, colored chalk, what are we gonna do with this colored chalk? I was like, you throw the colored chalk on each other. It's our favorite festival. So we had a really great time throwing colored chalk on everyone and even the directors and all by the end of it. But the whole video was shot in one day. It was really hectic, but it's very special. You know, putting down that guy's picture at the end of it and saying "See ya" was my favorite. I was writing Priyanka on his back with mehendi. In fact, after I put the mehendi on his back, he kept it. I said, "Listen, if you keep it for a little longer, it's gonna stay." So he was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna show Priyanka on my back." I was like, "What's wrong? Mehendi will stay for 1 week." The plan was, yes, I wanted to wait for 2 or 3 singles to come out before I start doing live shows, and now that I have 3 or 4 singles, yeah, the plan is to do a few live shows. ये बड़ी mind blowing बात है कि मैं इतनी बड़ी बन गई कि मेरे ऊपर लोग मेरी फिल्म बना रहे हैं. I never thought, but when it comes down to ना तो मैंने इसके बारे में सुना है, मैं आज सुबह in fact I've landed. जितना भी सुना है आप लोगों से ही सुना है, मेरी टीम से सुना है, so I don't know what the truth to it or not, but मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इतनी बड़ी हूँ कि मेरे ऊपर फिल्म बनाई जाए अभी तक. अभी काफ़ी कच करना है. 40 then they can make a film. 40 तक इतने achievements हो जाएंगे और controversies भी. If someone makes, I'm doing a biopic on Mary Com's life. She has sat with me on every scene. She's told me her emotions that she felt when she was going through everything. So it would be extremely flattering for me if somebody made a biopic on my life. But this particular situation makes me very angry because I know what as a woman, what I went through, and my father and my family. And what upsets me is that people like you and people who are going to be making this film are giving it something, glorifying something which was such a painful part as a girl for me in my life. I think it's extremely disturbing, and I'm very disappointed in the people who are glorifying it.